In this video, I'm going to cover monopsonistic labor market. So if you were a nurse and there's only one hospital within driving distance from your house, or you're a factory worker and there's only one plant within 100 miles of you, how is this going to affect the labor market? Would this be to the advantage of the worker or the firm? What do you think would happen to the equilibrium wage rate in such a market? A firm that has power in the labor market is referred to as a monopsony. Characteristics are that one firm is hiring workers and the firm is large enough to be able to manipulate the market. Workers are relatively immobile and the firm is a wage maker. In order to hire additional workers, the firm must increase the wage. Examples would be Central American sweatshops or a Midwest small town with a large car factory. For a monopsony, the marginal resource cost does not equal the supply. If the firm cannot wage discriminate, where is the marginal resource cost? It's going to lie above the supply curve. So in a monopsony, the company pays the same wage to all its employees. So if it increases the wage to attract another worker, then the marginal resource cost of that worker is greater than the wage paid to the worker. So identify the wage and quantity of labor that would be hired by this monopsony. The wage would be 9 and the quantity would be Q2. You're going to find the quantity by finding where MRP equals MRC and go down to the horizontal axis, which is Q2. But in order to find the wage, you're going to go down to the supply curve, and that's the wage that you're going to pay, is $9. So the most common mistake that students make when analyzing a monopsony graph is they're able to find the quantity of labor hired as Q2, but then in error they identify the wage as $12 instead of $9.